Welcome to 4 Kids and a Dad. We have openings today. So we found some stuff over at Ollie's. It's a new bargain place. So we're gonna see what they gave us and see what we got. Alright, let's see what we got here. We found some wrestling minifigures we got all 3 packs for $1. And then we got a light up magic track, glow in the dark. I guess this is not the real one, but we got it for $6. Not bad. Over here, we got kid-sized devotions. We're definitely going to start doing this with us. This is day 1, and it just gives us devotions for every day of the year. So that'll be cool. We got that for $2. And then over here is Alex's favorite. She said it's a Pop-It. And it's puppies and some kind of clay. We also got this for $6. Can't wait till we do this. So we're gonna get started. All right, Bryce. Let's go ahead and start out opening this and see what is inside. Let's see what's inside. Girls, you want to help them open that real quick? All right. Watch your fingers. And here we go. Stay tuned because I'm definitely going to do some cut-ups. We should definitely do cut-ups. All right, Bryce, show us what you got. It's an arm.
You build it.
Oh, you got to build these people?
Yeah. Let's start
wow.
body. That way. Okay, I guess.
Do we got all 3 of them open yet?
I lost my head.
Uh-oh, you lost your head. That's not good.
But I found it.
And she found it. Alright. Does it
John
look
Cena?
easy? Does it look hard?
It's easy.
You got John Cena.
Yeah, I think it's John Cena.
Oh.
I got the black. Party, you got that white.
Okay.
Me and Bryce got duplicates.
We got duplicates. Well, they'll be good to cut up later. See what's inside.
You got Roman Reigns. Yeah, I did get John Cena.
Oh, Roman Reigns, and you got John Cena.
I don't even watch.
Oh, let's look here. Ooh, look at his head. Ooh, that's crazy.
I can't pop the arms on.
Oh, you know that's John Cena. Look, you can't see me. You can't see me because I have no body. No body. This is gonna be so cool. Oh, we got a finished one. Roman Reigns. Yep, that's Roman Reigns.
Whoa! I can't.
Oh,
arms are these?
looks like we're having technical difficulties on John Cena. She says it's harder than it looks.
No,
Cody, what do you think? Is it hard?
Greasy.
Greasy. Oh, she must have had her crystals. That reminds me, stay tuned for our Dad Silly song coming up. It's about fast food restaurants. Y'all gonna love that one. Awesome. Make sure you also like us below and catch out our other movies.
We picked
Uh-oh. See?
It's just John
now
Cena. He's the hard
now it has to take grown-up supervision.
Can I help?
I got no arms. I got no arms. Definitely try.
John Cena's the only one that's hard to put on. Hey, we're duplicating.
And there's all 3.
Why is John Cena so small?
John Cena's smaller than the other ones. I guess he's shorter in person. I don't know. What do you think? Get down.
What are we doing? Oh, his whole body came off.
His whole body. Oh, that was a good body slam. All right, now we're gonna go right into opening up the light up track.
The big one.
That's what's next.
I got
It's like opening up for Christmas. How's the package? The package looks cool.
It looks easy. Oh, it's the real ones.
It's the real one?
Yeah, these are the real ones.
Oh, wow. Oh, what does it come with?
And it came with one
Come with the
card.
tracks,
And
stickers.
Dad, how many scissors? Oh, they actually move. It's
And
the real one. Look, it wiggles.
Wiggly.
And we
Uh-oh,
got
Bryce got
scissors.
scissors. Watch what he's doing.
Oh, careful, we got.
We're going to be on another YouTube station.
We should pause.
Go. And now Bryce is going to try to figure out how to connect it.
Oh, I figured it out. The little blue thing goes in here and that one goes in there.
Oh, that one goes in there and that one goes in there. Go ahead.
Where's the...
And this is the car that came with it. Let me open that. What do y'all think about that? Huh? No good?
Cool. I guess.
You did it. See, it's made for kids. That's good.
Oh, yep.
That is good. There's the car.
Wait.
All right. Looks like I need a battery. Uh-oh. Let me go get a battery. Pause. All right, so I'm back. I got the battery in. You can see that. Thank you to Railbeck. All right, here we go. You just flip the switch on, and you can see the lights are bright. It does everything the box says it's going to do. Awesome.
There are 16
and we almost got the pieces. How many pieces?
16 pieces.
16 pieces to this track. This track is very flexible, just like in the commercial. So, all right, Bryce, the track is built. That is awesome. I'm going to turn this on, and you place it on the track, okay? All right, here it goes.
Okay, guys, let's move it right before it gets here.
I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, it was not bad for $6. Oh, it went off road. This is pretty cool for $6. I mean, you can't lie.
Look, it goes right across.
All right, cool deal.
Saved it.
All right, and now it is time for the Pop It. And these are the puppy version.
All the girls are doing
and girls are going to start opening that with Bryce looking on. And Bryce, what do you think of this, Bryce? Too much of a girl toy?
This one's cool. You use the clay. It says that you mold it first, and then you pop the body on, and then you create it and add whatever you want.
Okay, so let me look at these molds here.
It's different.
Show everybody these molds. Oh, so you mold the clay.
And I have to go fill this with water.
Okay, and you gotta fill it with water.
Wait, hold on.
All right, and so we got, what is this piece here? I guess it's part of the pop. Oh, the ears. Okay. They come with some containers, I guess, to keep the clay. Is this the clay over here?
Yeah, this.
All right, can y'all go ahead and open that clay? Let's see what it looks like for the people on TV.
Hold on, I don't.
And this is some kind of water bottle
You
thing.
pop it on.
Oh, that stinks. But not bad. Go.
I found the nose and the little sparkles, which are probably for the
What are
eyes.
these decorations or
And
something?
look at the accessories. They have crowns, bowls, earrings,
Whoa, wow.
eyes, and little nose. Oh, and a collar.
Oh,
and
wow.
dog food.
Do we get any of the clay open yet, Bry? Kids?
Yeah. What do you have to do?
Ooh, this is what the clay looks like on the inside.
There's
Ew.
different
Bryce, feel
colors.
that. What do you like? Ew.
Okay.
Feels like,
Look, I got clay.
is that bird poop?
No.
Is that lava? Lava?
We should.
What is it called? I don't remember.
The lava
bird poop.
challenge?
No, the bird poop.
Oh.
We should do lava challenge.
We should in Walmart, because that's
Yeah.
where a lot of people do it.
Okay, so we'll definitely do that one next. Keep an eye out for that one. I'll be right back with y'all and show you what these starting to look like when we get everything together. All right, now we're back. We got it kind of clay in the bottles. And what we're gonna do is she's gonna put it in the mold. Alex will put it in the mold. And then Emily and Cody will work to put it on there. And then we'll squeeze it. It'll pop out as like it's supposed to do. So we'll see what it does. All right. So spread it in there. Here we go. And here we go. Oh, let me see.
Okay.
And did you close it? Okay. Now take the excess off.
Take off that part. Can't. You gotta close it.
All right. And now it's on there. And now you open the top.
No, my.
Open the top of it. And then you're supposed to just squeeze it and pop it out. But all right, so as you can see, it doesn't work exactly how the pictures and stuff say. But I guess if it's in here, it will be here somehow, and then it pops out somehow like that. we'll get to work on that. But hey, for $6, I think we did pretty good. Guys, how was that our first opening?
That was good.
All right, we're going to go play with our toys. Catch us on the links. I'll see y'all later. Make sure you subscribe, like us, and we'll see y'all later on 4 Kids and a Dad.